Yeah. So we are going to do the make a temporary mount of onion peel. This is not permanent mount. What we are seeing there, no, parenchyma, collenchyma, those were all permanent slides. So that is called as permanent. Why? Because once it is made and it is used for long, long, many months, even the years also we can use. And this you are going to make today a temporary mount. It cannot be used for many days. It will dry up after some time. So this is the onion which we are taking. After this, with the forceps, what we will do, we will take out this scale leaves of this. Okay, these are all the leaves. Hope you all know it is a bulb. And then here below this, you might have seen there are small transparent sheet-like things also come. No, after every you can try also take out. You also try to take out and give me one peel. Everyone has to perform, no? This is practical period and here we are because we are going to perform the things also. See, this type of transparent sheet comes out. Okay? And now what we are going to do, take some water in this watch glass, wash the watch glass and then bring the water. Taken out? Yes. A little bit of water, only half spoon of water. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So here we have the watch glass. There is the water. Give me yours. This one. Yes. See, are you able to see? At home also many of you might have seen this transparent wala we are going to take. And then we will put it in the water first of all so that it should not get dried. So whenever we are making any kind of temporary mount or the slides, first of all we take the thing and we put in the water only. Okay, so that it is not getting dried up. After this, what we are going to do, it is a animal cell or plant cell we are going to see. It is a plant cell. We are going to see today plant cell. We are making a temporary mount of the plant cell. So here we have taken this onion peel and now what I'll do, we have this saffronin. It is a stain. Stain means giving color. Stain means to give color. So it is a stain and this we are using to stain this onion peel. And how we use this dropper, no, when we are holding this dropper, we have to put our finger tightly on this. And it is not going to close. It is made in such a way that drop wise the thing will come out. So put your finger tightly on this. It is not needed that you have to lift the finger or lose it and then otherwise it will all fall down. So just put your finger tightly on this and then the drop and then leave it for some time so that the cells get stained. Then we have the slide and we have to use a clean slide. You wash the slide. Then we will use a clean slide and then with the forceps we are taking out the peel. Yes, bring it up. So this is the slide now and on this slide with the help of the brush, because now if we are taking it out with the forceps or needle it might break. So try to take this with the help of the brush. And also after some time when it is, see, it has got stained now. You can see the color is there and we have to wash it also. That's why I took a little bit more water so that nearby only we can wash. Sometimes if the stain is too much, suppose a lot of saffronin has fallen down. So you can wash it 2-3 times with water also. Because the cells have taken the stain and if we wash also then also nothing wrong is going to happen to this. And then we will try to spread this. Okay. This peel and as much thin the peel is, that much good it is going to be. The cells will be that much nicely observed. The more thinner, the more nicely the cells or any section is observed under the microscope. Why? Because if it is a single layer only, no, then only the more, yesterday as you saw in the parenchyma, that was the single layer, whereas the stomata and collenchyma cells were not single layered. That's why they were a bit thick and we were not able to see this 111 cell only. So now we have put it here. We will spread it nicely and then we will put the glycerine, a drop of glycerine in the same way. A glycerine is little bit thicker. You can hold this way also, you can manage. Because it is not going to fall all at once, no? All together. See, I am putting it like this. As much practical we do, our hand becomes that much, um, we are able to perform that much nicely. Now, what next? Can anyone tell? We have put the glycerine on this. If you have gone through the manual, we have spread this properly. We have put the glycerine and then we have the, what is the name of this? Cover slip. Again, this is forceps, this is needle, this is brush, this is watch glass, okay, this is watch glass, and here we have the cover slips. We are going to cover this. So it is slip thin and so it is covered slip. There is a bit technique also to put the cover slip, because directly if you are putting the cover slip on this, what will happen? If directly I am just putting the cover slip on this, bubbles might enter there. You know, bubbles will be there. So under the microscope, you will see those bubbles only, and this slide will not be that much nice or clearer. So now slowly, with the help of the needle and forceps, with the forceps we are holding the cover slip. We are putting the needle at one place, and then slowly we will put the cover slip like this. Slowly. See, from one side to the other, so that if any air bubble is there, it should get removed. After this, we can tap a little bit. Tap it also so that it gets fixed, joined properly. And after tapping, if extra stain is there, we can use blotting paper to wipe it off. Okay. So is this clear? First of all, we took the peel, the inner layer of which one is transparent, because it is single layered, no? That's why. So we took that and then we have washed it. We have put it directly in the water. Whenever we are using anything, no, any section, monocot, dicot plant or leaf or stomata, so we directly put it in the water in the wash glass and then slowly we put the saffron and stain. Leave it for 2-3 minutes. The stain will get absorbed in the cells. Then wash it out nicely and then place a drop of glycerine and place the cover slip slowly and tap it. Extra stain is removed. Now our slide is ready. As you can see, leave it for some time and then we can observe this slide under the microscope. Is it okay? And then we will see whether the cells what we are seeing here is matching with the cells which you have seen in your manual, the diagrams which you are drawing. One more thing comes here during the practical exam. What will happen? These slides are put under the microscope and name is not told to you. So you should be able to identify those slides and you will be asked to write few points on it. Identification is given 1 marks and points is given 1 marks. So what I suggest you, the diagram which you are seeing in the book is a very clearer one and the drawn and all. But the thing which you see here under the microscope, you have to draw that rough sketch of the actual thing which you see under the microscope in your observation notebook. So that at the time of the exam, you remember, okay, this was actually looking like this under the microscope. So we can identify the things and we can get the points. Okay. In higher classes like in MSc, BSc, what we have spotting, even you will also have spotting exam. So, but at that, here you are having only two, three experiments, no? But there what we have more than hundreds of slides are there. So we have to directly see under the microscope those prepared ones and then we have to write on that. So what we do when we were taken to the practicals, so we used to copy down in our observation notebook and at the same time we make a clear one which we have in the manual, both pictures. So it becomes easier to identify over there also and this is what we should do. Okay. Yeah, take the things and start doing. One of you can come on this table also, mine one also. Now tell me, why do we use glycerin? Why can't we use alcohol or water? Heavier than water, then so what will happen? It will stick over there properly and the cells will not get damaged or dried or plasmolized or swell. Huh? So to make the shape of the cells proper, keep it proper. Show the slide you have made. Okay, nice. So this is the slide made by Aditi Singh. Huh? Come show your face also. This is nice one because it's quite transparent. Scope you are seeing the slide. See that one Ishka has made. Keep distance. Huh.